Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 20 part 2, creating a colored pattern. So we've made patterns with colored blocks and with the pattern blocks, and we've made the colored patterns on the hundreds number chart. Okay, you can see patterns all the way around the room. And you can see patterns on the floor, the wall, the ceiling. You can see patterns in clothes and also in materials. So we're going to use a colored pattern using a name. And everyone's colored pattern will look different because you'd use your own first name. So let's say that we have one student whose name is Bob. So if his name is Bob, we need to decide what colors to use for Bob's name. So since Bob only has 3 letters, but 2 of them are B's, I'm going to just need 2 colors. So we're going to say we're going to have B will be my green crayon, and the O's will be my yellow crayon when I spell out Bob. Okay? So first I'm going to start in the first box, the first letter of the name. So that's going to be B. And then we're going to have the second letter, and we're going to use capital letters. So then we have O and then B. Then I have to spell the name again. B-O-B. Spell it again. B-O-B. Remember, I have to spell the whole name. I can't just use this B to make my next one. I have to spell the whole name. So then I have B-O-B. And I continue to the next line even though I can't finish spelling Bob on one line. Okay? B-O-B, 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 B-O-B. So we're spelling Bob lots and lots of times. Okay, B-O-B. Oops. Alright, so we've spelled Bob lots of times for my pattern. And I will start the next one, even though I can't finish the name, I still want to fill up every square. Alright? Alright, so now we're going to use our crayons to color each letter a different color. Okay, and if we have the same letter, we use the same color. So in this case, we're using green, and we're going to use yellow. So I'm going to color all of the B's green. Okay. Here we go. And then I will color all the O's yellow. Oh, and I can see here that I made a mistake, because I forgot to put another B here. So that's why it's good to double check to make sure you don't forget. Okay, there we go. Alright, and now I'll color the O's yellow. And you can use whatever colors you like for your name. I just chose green and yellow because they're easy to see. Alright, so this is how we'd have a color and letter pattern. It's always good to check your letter pattern before you color, because if you make a mistake, it's hard to change it with a crayon, and it's a lot easier to rewrite the letters first. Okay, and that's how we make a pattern based on your name. And that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.